Stop by and take a look at the 2018 ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, trip computer, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, cloth bucket seats, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.